We begin with the latest on the story now making national headlines, the alleged abuse of a 7-year-old boy in Trelawney and questions about how the case has been handled. Investigations are still on the way to determine the veracity of the allegations being made by a mother who says 4 boys assaulted her son at school.
There are more questions this evening because we have confirmed that the mother made at least 3 attempts to report the matter to the police without success. Again, the details surrounding this case are sensitive, so if you have children around, bear that in mind.
Let's repeat that. This may not be the kind of thing you want your child to hear, so viewer discretion is advised. TVJ's Lana Gay Franklin has been following this story.
The issue was first brought to light when the woman who felt as if the matter concerning her son was not being addressed urgently by the police and the administrators of the school reached out to the media. The woman explained that 4 boys held her son down and inserted a piece of stick in his rectum last Monday while he was using the school's bathroom. The woman said she went to the school on Tuesday when the other parents of the boys were called in. She said she was not satisfied with how the school handled the situation and decided to go to the police the following day. She visited the Clarkstown police station on Wednesday to make a report of the incident. She said she asked the police to follow her to the school, but was told there was no vehicle. It's not clear whether they attempted to take a statement. The woman said she made another attempt on Friday and instead ended up being locked up and charged with disorderly conduct.
She apparently got impatient, cursed a number of expletive again. I'm told that the behavior was so atrocious and got unbearable. So the police had to take punitive action. In fact, she was arrested and charged for disorderly conduct.
She spent the night in jail and was released the following day after receiving station bail. She went back to the police station, but said a policeman told her he couldn't help her just then. The mother says she was not given an explanation why and no statement was taken. Head of the Trelawney Police Division, Superintendent Dwight Powell, said officers did not follow proper protocol when they did not collect a statement from the outset.
The incident is rather unfortunate, and I just want to assure Jamaica that this is not the way the police in modern time operate. Certainly it would have been a breach of our protocol as an organization, and if the breach is so clear and blatant, we will be treating with it in terms of just validating the facts and to see what corrective measures can be made to avoid a recurrence.
He says teams from his headquarters, the Ministry of Education and the Child Protection and Family Service Agency visited the school Wednesday.
What we have done so far is to assign a senior investigator to ensure that the matter is given the right probity. We have assigned the CSS officers to visit with the school. They have since done that this morning. And I'm aware that a team from the Ministry of Education, including the education officer for the region, visited with the school. I'm also aware that CDA, the Child Development Agency, visited the school this morning, and certainly I will be doing some visit myself just to unearth the fact of this incident.
Lana Gay Franklin, TVJ News.